Court is calling 2022 CR 6643, State of Texas versus Karen Munoz. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense?
John Young.
And are you Ms. Munoz?
Yes.
Ms. Munoz, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the state is able to prove the repeat offender enhancement allegation paragraph, then your range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, please.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $2,500 fine, no application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision, and there is $57 for drug testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation and 180 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Right from the start, we see Karen facing a third-degree felony for possession of a controlled substance that's no small charge punishable by up to 10 years. But here's where it gets heavier with her repeat offender status. The range doubles. To 20 years, the stakes are massive.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State offer State Exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, with regards to the repeat offender enhancement allegation, how do you plead to that? True or not true? I'm sorry? Did you say true?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement allegation true based upon your plea of true and based upon State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
No, Your Honor, we're asking for a 45-day delay on the PSI.
All right. State?
States will defer to the court on the PSI. It is a agreed 5/5, Your Honor.
We told you earlier why we need a
Yes,
little bit more.
I understand that. If you want, we can go forward with sentencing. And then if there is an issue, the court still has jurisdiction.
And I would prefer, Your Honor, if we gave her some flexibility here before we impose sentence.
Okay. All right. We'll reset it for 30 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And the information that needs to be turned over, that needs to be done before that 30-day time
Thank you,
period.
Your Honor.
If not, then we will go forward with sentencing. What date?
I can do the 7th.
All right. We're coming back on February 7th at 9 a.m. And Ms. Ferguson will give you the reset form.
Notice how Karen admits true to the repeat offender allegation. This single word locks in her history and gives the court grounds for harsher sentencing. One wrong response here, and she'd be fighting an even steeper uphill battle.
No PSI. Ms. Munoz,
Yes, ma'am.
if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'm not.
I'm sorry.
I said, no, I'm not doing.
Okay. All right. We'll see you back on February 7th. All right. The court is calling 2022 CR 6643. Everyone, please whisper. State of Texas versus Karen Munoz. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
The state, Your Honor.
Defense?
John Young for the defense.
And are you Karen Munoz?
Yes, ma'am.
You entered a plea on January 10th of no contest, applied for probation. The court found the enhancement true
Yes,
based upon your plea of true. And then you did not show up for sentencing. And so,
Told me that she missed the date. That's all, Your Honor. And then she just got scared.
all right, according to The plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There is no application for deferred adjudication, and the state is recommending community supervision. Was there a TAP evaluation in this case or no?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. I think it was just set for sentencing.
Okay,
She has her own business and she wanted to get it set up so that she could, in case she decided to do something other than probation.
okay, let me see here. All right. Anything else you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we would ask you to follow the agreement.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. So why didn't you show up for court?
I came on the 4th, February the 4th, and it was closed, and they gave me a resentencing date. I thought was for the 10th on my birthday, but it was for the 7th of February. And by then I already had the warrant, and I was just like, this warrant has plagued me. I'm glad that I'm here. I can get this over with. I need to get it behind me and
No,
hopefully get 'em.
you were set for February 7th. There was no fourth date.
No, I came on the 4th. On February the 4th, they gave me a resentencing, and I thought it was for the 10th, the next pay.
No. What I'm saying is on January 10th, I originally set you on February 7th because that's why it's written here.
I still have the paper, the pink paper, but I came on the 4th. I was just a miscommunication, I guess, on my behalf.
All right. Are you employed?
Yes, I have my own business. It's a removal of
Okay,
industrial
stop
waste.
talking so fast.
Sorry, nurse.
All right. So what do you do?
I remove industrial waste
And how long have you been doing that?
since November 11th of 2021.
Do you have any children?
They're all adults.
All right. What are their ages?
My youngest is 18, 25, 24, 21, 19, and 18.
All right. Do you have any grandchildren?
Not yet.
What do you mean not yet?
I mean, hopefully one of them will have a baby. My daughter teaches at 3rd grade. She's not.
No, I'm wondering, is anyone expecting?
No.
She missed her sentencing date, and in the courtroom world, that's like pulling the fire alarm during finals week. It only makes things worse. What do you think? Was this fear, confusion, or a tactic to buy time?
All right. This is a drug case. So what's your drug of choice?
I used to do drugs a long time ago. I don't do drugs anymore.
What's your drug of choice?
I don't have one.
Well, no, this is a drug case.
Yes, the drugs were found in the car, but I haven't done drugs in about 7 years.
What drugs have you done in the past?
I used to do heroin for a long time,
When's the last time you used heroin?
about in 2016, maybe.
All right. And the drug in this case is meth. Have you ever used meth?
No,
All right. So you're the only person in the vehicle in this car.
yes,
The officer's saying that they found the drugs on the center console in plain view. So how could you not know there was meth in the vehicle?
because it was like 2 o'clock in the morning. I was gonna go buy a loaf of bread, and it was not my car.
It says there was crystal-like substance next to E1 with a torn baggie in the cup holder. So you're telling the court you don't have any drug problems?
No, not.
All right, this is all on the record. And I'm telling you right now, if you want to insist that you haven't used drugs for a long time and that you have no drug issue, then we're not going to address that. Do not come back to this court on a motion to revoke saying you have a drug problem.
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So do you want help for your drug issue or no?
No, I don't.
Okay. In probation, if you'll make a notation that she has no drug issue.
Yes, sir.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. There's a $2,500 fine. That will be probated. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm going to want random monthly UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 180 hours of community service restitution. If she wishes, she can buy out of that at $7.25 per hour.
Here's the clash. Karen insists she has no drug problem despite meth being found in plain view inside the car. Judges take these denials seriously because if she later claims addiction as a defense, it could unravel everything. Judge Boyd makes it crystal clear no second chances on that front.
And I'm going to suggest the San Antonio Food Bank, but if there's another charity you would like that donated to, you can let probation know. And if it's on the approved list, then it can be for that. I just choose the San Antonio Food Bank because usually there's a shortage of food.
Your Honor, is she allowed to continue her business as the employment?
Yes, as long as it's not as a home health care provider or with minors.
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. And then probation at your discretion. Probation, is there anything else she needs?
Okay.
All right, anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Anything else you need?
No.
All right, we can go off the record. So what's the tattoo about?
It was just my son passed away. It was only God can judge me. It was long when I got it.
All right, I'm sorry to hear about that. And then the names?
My kids,
Okay. And then the chest?
my son.
All right, thank you. All right, are y'all ready to proceed on the motion to revoke?
Yes.
Court is calling 2022 CR 6643 State versus Karen Munoz. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense.
Brian Kimbrough.
And are you Miss Munoz?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Karen receives probation instead of immediate prison time, a huge break. But with strict conditions like random drug tests, community service, and employment restrictions, even one slip could send her straight behind bars. Do you think probation is fair in this case, or should prison have been the outcome?
Are you the same Karen Munoz who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 6643 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on January 4th, 2024 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
The condition number 1 on the mouth, the 8th day of July, 2024, the third time taxes, Defendant Karen Munos, and the offense of possession of controlled substance, penalty 1, that's flat, that's B violation.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? Any objections?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and send you to prison for up to 5 years and a $2,500 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes.
And what is the proposed agreement?
Is continued individual deny the motion, and then the underlying to approve Escondido report evaluation. And the state will take into consideration clause number 2024 EF 07946, Your Honor.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Ms. Munoz, so you're asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal? All right, why have you raised your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record. All right, why have you not been doing well on probation?
Only thing I didn't do well is because I've been on parole before and I thought that we did the UAs there at the probation office. So the second visit, that's when it makes my understanding that we have to go somewhere else. And he said, the next time you come, make sure you give me the before you get here. And I said, okay.
Okay, so here it is. It's not about this UA because you picked up a new number 1.
Oh, yeah.
So we're back to why are you not doing well on probation?
This is the human side of the courtroom. Karen reveals her husband passed away. Grief can derail lives. But as Judge Boyd points out, probation doesn't pause for personal tragedy. It's a sobering reminder of how unforgiving the system can be.
Kind of long and short story. My husband, he passed away. And I stopped trying for like 7 days and here we are.
So here's the thing. You can't throw your life off track because something happens, especially you, because you're on probation and you could be going to prison. All right, I'll follow your agreement, and she's to remain in custody until transfer to Esperanza Court. So the court will deny the motion, alter the main conditions to Esperanza Court. And if Esperanza Court does not accept her, we'll have her brought back.
Have her tap.
Yes. So TAP evaluation and custody. Referral to Esperanza Court and custody. Taking consideration 2024 PF 07946. And I'm going to want field visits upon release 1 time per month for 6 months. All right, thank you. You're
Thank you, Your Honor.
welcome.